Hey guys, Rick from Automotive Performance, Peabody, Mass. Going to answer some questions about a brake fluid flush. What is a brake fluid flush? Brake fluid flush performed by us is a service where we remove the old brake fluid from your car and put in fresh fluid. How do we do that? We take the reservoir for the clutch master cylinder and the brake master cylinder, empty them out, clean them out, put fresh fluid in. Then we use that fluid to force the old fluid out of your lines, ABS system, brake calipers, or wheel cylinders, depending on what kind of car you have. Why do I need it? You need it because brake fluid's hydroscopic. That means that it automatically attracts water molecules and absorbs them and holds them just from the surroundings. So your brake fluid actually becomes contaminated over time. That's why it should be changed at least every 2 years. What happens if I don't do it? And I'll tell you what happens if you don't do it. Your brake system starts to corrode from the inside out. Just so happens I've got a beautiful 1965 Chevelle here. It's in for a performance problem with an aftermarket fuel injection system. During the 20-point inspection that we perform on all cars, I noticed fluid leaking from one of the front wheel cylinders. So I took the wheels off, took the brake drum off to access the wheel cylinder. Sure enough, you can see fluid coming out. Let me see if you can get a shot of this. So what you see there is the fluid has actually got enough water content in it that it started to rust out from the inside out that relatively new brake wheel cylinder. That can cause a catastrophic failure. In this car, if that were to happen, you lose your entire braking function. That's a bad day. So I hope you guys got a quick understanding of brake fluid and why it needs to be changed. If you have any questions about your street car, muscle car, race car, feel free to contact us directly. Again, Rick from Automotive Performance. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Happy motoring.